Going to learn about microsporangium, which is also called pollen sac. Pollen sac, it is present in the anther of flowering plant or angiospermic plants. This microsporangium or pollen sac produces microspores which further develops into pollen grains. So microsporangium pollen sac, which is present in the anther of flowering plants, consists of two layers. First is the outer layer known as microsporangial wall, and the second one is the sporogenous tissue which is present inside. So sporogenous, when the anther is young, the sporogenous tissues occupy the center of microsporangium. The sporogenous cell divides regularly to form diploid microspore mother cell or pollen mother cell. So the formation of microspore or pollen grain take place from diploid microspore mother cell or pollen mother cell is called microsporogenesis, which we will learn in next short. Now about the microsporangium consists of sporogenous wall, microsporangial wall. So this microsporangial wall, there is a presence of primary parietal layer outside. So it divides periclinal anticlinal division to forms four concentric layers. Layers are epidermis, endothelium, middle layer and tapetum. Periclinal division means parallel to the tissue surface, anticlinal space perpendicular to the adjacent layer of cell. So epidermis is the cell of is single layer of cells which stretch and shrivel off the fall off at maturity. Endothelium consists of cells that are large and develop thickening of cellulose on the inner and radial walls. The mature cell of endothelium dead. The hypodermal and epidermal cell present in the region of सैलो ग्रुप बिटवीन द स्पोरेंजिया, जो सैलो ग्रुप प्रेजेंट बिटवीन द एंडोथेसियम का जो लेयर है वो सैलो ग्रुप है जो कि थिन हो जाता है, और इस एरिया को स्टोमियम कहते हैं और लाइन ऑफ डेसेंस कहते हैं, जहाँ से मैच्योर एंथर से पॉलन ग्रेन रिलीज होता है. सो इंडोथेसियम में थिन वॉल बनता है, स्टोमियम जिसको कहते हैं जहाँ से लाइन ऑफ डेसेंस होता है, इसका स्टोमियम कहते हैं, जहाँ से pollen grain रिलीज होता है. देन अबाउट द मिडिल लेयर्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ 1 to 3 लेयर ऑफ सेल्स, and this cell also disintegrate in mature anthers. Tapetum is a single-layered cell consists of multinuclear dense cytoplasm. It provide nourishment to the developing pollen. It also secretes UBs granules which provide sporopollenin material for the exine, outer covering of pollen grains. It also provides pollen kits covering around entomophilous pollen and also incompatibility proteins to pollen.